This might be just the cleanest budget keyboard I've ever unboxed. Let's see if the RK61 is really as good as people say. First off, even the box feels premium. It's sturdy, minimalist, and honestly, it already gives you that, okay, this is quality. As soon as you open it, you're greeted by the manual. Super handy if it's your first mechanical keyboard, and the keyboard itself is stuck inside this smooth plastic cover. You can tell they really made sure it's protected during shipping. Man, this white version looks so clean. It's lightweight but feels solid at the same time. Minimalist setup lovers, you're gonna love this. Wow, and they didn't skimp on accessories either. You get 4 extra switches, a USB-C cable, love that it's braided, and a keycap puller so you can swap and customize your keyboard right away. Wow, look at that! You can never go wrong with white keyboard. Quick detail at the back. You'll find a 3.0 wireless dongle tucked neatly here. Nice touch if you plan to use it wirelessly with no Bluetooth delay. And of course, the RGB. Look at those colors, bright, vibrant, and you can cycle through different effects depending on your vibe. For the price, honestly, this keyboard is punching way above its weight. Typing on it is super satisfying. The keys are smooth, no scratchability, and the sound is just the right amount of clunky without being annoying. If you're thinking of getting the RK61, do it. It's clean, it's customizable, it's wireless, and it just fits any setup. Absolute steal. Follow for more unboxings.